How to be better lover with testicle massage. We all want to be better lovers, both in the bedroom and in life. We all want to experience deeper levels of intimacy and connection and pleasure. And there's always room for improvement. For women, for example, in the bedroom, it's all about presence and surrender. Not to fantasize inside of your head, it's to be present, intensely present here and now, to surrender to your man. For men, on the other hand, it's all about power and presence again, to be able to exude that internal masculine power. So why testicle massage? Testicle massage is another beautiful Asian practice that came to us from Taoist tradition. It was designed by Shaolin monks to improve your sexual stamina, sexual health overall. A few benefits of testicle massage are it increases your virility and sperm count. It reduces testicular inflammation and stagnation. It boosts your sexual energy, your sexual health overall. Treat it as meditation, an opportunity to connect with yourself. It's your self-care routine. You can do it as little as 2-3 minutes while you're taking a shower, or you can set aside time and give it more attention, more mindfulness. You can also add some breath work to it, and if you do it, let's say once a week or twice a week, it will do wonders for you. I have received many letters at this point, men praising this practice, saying that it changed their whole perspective, not just on sex and relationship, but on life overall. I offer a step-by-step free guide to testicle massage. You can find the link in the description below. Some letters would say that they can now last longer in bed, that they don't have as much anxiety, that their sperm count, they can see the difference in the amount of sperm that they produce. Some men have shared that it teaches them intimacy with themselves. So imagine you are more aware of your undercurrent thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and then imagine you bring all that to your partner. So your sex is automatically better because you're more in touch with your feelings, with your bodily sensations. So that means you now is able to be aware of her emotional states and sensations. And that means that both of you can enter now deeper states of ecstasy. This is a good place to hit the like button and the subscribe button with the notification bell if you wish to receive more videos like that on passionate sex, intimacy, and healthy relationships. So if you want to become a better lover, if you want to learn more about testicle massage practice, download my free guide step-by-step to testicle massage in the description below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.